Hi, it's Ryan Snyder here, back with WC Blasting, working on our old timers log home cabin restoration. Just wanted to give you an update. We're about 2 weeks into the project here. Our friends from Mossy Ridge Log Works are replacing this wall here. Some rotten logs. And if you come around to this side of the building, you'll see some structures we have set up here just to get us out of the weather for the staining. We're putting on a boracal preservative. This south-facing wall's already received the boracal treatment. Here we got a shot of some of the extra logs that came in for the repairs. We offer all kinds of services from start to finish on your log home projects. And we invite you to keep watching and staying tuned here with this restoration on our social media pages at WC Blasting. Again, this building is ran by the Northern Alberta Pioneers and Descendants Association, the NAPDA. You could rent this cabin for your wedding or event. Has some beautiful views from each side of the cabin. This gorgeous deck here. Get around to this side, you'll see a bit of more of the hand sanding for staining preparation. You can get in touch with us anytime. We're open 7 days a week from 8 to 8. Just call 844-ICE-SODA. Or send us an email, info@wcblasting.com. Thanks for watching this video.